Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. This is Gigi's Tall Girl Closet and I'm Gigi. And news, I have a new camera. I'm trying it out. It's on my computer. I'm in my computer room, so that's where I'm going to be filming this wig review. So I told you guys in my last video that I was getting Georgette because my name is Georgette and she's from Utrecht. But I went and got another one with her. I'm not going to do a review on her today, but I will be doing a review on her soon. But the wig that I will be reviewing is from ebonyline.com, Brazilian Tress, and I think her name is Peruvian Wave. See that? Her name is Peruvian Wave. She's high heat resistant fiber, natural beauty Brazilian Tress. I got her in the color FS1B/30. This is what she this is what she looks like. Now this is the color that I had wanted to get her this is the color I had wanted to get her in, but they didn't have that color. So this will be my first time taking her out of the pack. So I'm going to be looking at her for the first time with you guys. So okay, this is what the stock card looks like. And on the back it has washing instructions. But isn't she pretty? She kind of reminds me of a Model unit that I bought years ago. Alright, let me take the fluff out of her. She came with this fluff paper here. Let me take off the netting. Ooh, she's pretty, y'all. I hope I like her. She don't look very thick. She don't look very thick at all. Can you guys see those highlights? That one, not 1B, that 30 in there. There's no 30. Yeah, there is 30 in the bang. So yeah, this is what she looks like. I'm gonna take the paper off of her. I mean her stock card. I'm gonna take it off of her now. Just took that off. I'm gonna flip her inside out too so you guys can see what she looks like. Okay, there are only 2 combs, but they're the big combs. Do you guys remember Model Carmen? And it had that really big comb in the front. Well, that's kind of what this is giving me. It just has it right here where the bangs are. That's where this comb is. So you guys see? You see that? The comb. And then there's also another comb in the back. I know you guys can see that big comb. So I'm going to flip her back in and let me see. As far as, it's just there's no scalp where the where at the top there's no scalp. It's just, can you guys see that? There's no scalp. Yeah, so you can definitely tell this is a wig. I'm just keeping it real with you guys like I always do in my videos. You can definitely tell this is a wig. There's no lace, there's no part, there's nothing there. So I'm gonna put her on. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. I do have on my wig cap underneath, and my hair is braided down flat to my head. Okay, this, I don't even see adjustable straps, y'all. I don't see adjustable straps. I'm kind of disturbed about that. I do have a big head, so it shouldn't matter, but we'll see. I like this like body wave kind of style. I'm gonna comb her out just to kind of make her thicker. I don't want to lose the curl. Now also, if you guys been watching my videos, you know I don't wear a lot of brown because I think it makes me look older. Which I am older and I don't have no problem looking my age. But who wants to look their age nowadays? Especially when you don't have to, right? Yeah. So this is what she is looking like. This is all the hair on one side. No, she's not thick at all, y'all. And this is all of it to the front. There is nothing in the back. I got it all pulled towards the front. And this is what she's giving me. Now, I cannot lie. This cap is big head friendly, but she is not snug on my head, and I'm not putting the combs in. I have ruined my my hairline. I probably don't even have hair now. I wouldn't be surprised, but yeah, my hair is so gray underneath here. You guys know how old I am, so I got a lot of gray hair. Yeah, I do. I know my face don't look old, but the hair, it definitely tells a different story. But I can pull this out. I can pull it up or off because it's not snug at all. There. I think I like that a little bit better because it's like a hump too. Just a little bit of a hump right here. So, but this is what she looks like, you guys. What do you think? I would definitely say go out and get her. She's very affordable. She's an everyday unit. Nothing special. Definitely work appropriate. I think she was only like $15. And I wanted the color that was on the box. It was like TX Mocha, TX/Mocha or something, but they were all out of that. But I thought that would look really cute. But I do like this 1B32. And this is how long she is. And I'm pretty tall, you guys. I'm 6'2", so she comes right to my boobs. She comes right to my boobs. So she's kind of long. You guys know I don't get down with long units, but I think I can do her because she's not really thick. And I don't even think as I comb her out, she will get big and poofy on me because she's synthetic. So I think I can rock with her being this long. And then when she gets old, I can just throw her away anyway. She's synthetic. I paid, what, $15 for her? So for $15, you guys can look sexy. You guys can look sophisticated. Put some glasses on and you can look smart. $15, that is smart. I'm glad I got her. I really am. I like her. I like these bangs. Okay, pros and cons. Pro, she's big head friendly. I was afraid she wouldn't be, but she's big head friendly. Pro, she looks very realistic. She doesn't look plastic and fake at all. And I've seen some units that look so fake, you can look at it and be like, that's wig. This could probably, oh yeah, this could pass off for some like human hair. It's soft. I could just run my fingers right through her. And I know I did just put her on. So to me, that's not really a big thing when people say, oh, you can rub your fingers right through her. Yeah, you just put her on. So unless she's a really crappy wig, you're going to be able to run your fingers right through her. But I'll get back with you guys in like a week or maybe a month and let you know how she's holding up. Now let's get into the cons. She is shedding. Now she barely has any hair to begin with. This is it. This is all of it pulled up to the front, you guys. So she is shedding. As I run my fingers through her, I am getting hair. So she sheds. Another con, she doesn't have the adjustable straps. So you have no way to like really secure her on your head. You just got to plop her on and hope the wind don't blow. Hope the wind don't blow, because if it does, oh my goodness, yeah, no adjustable straps, so that's another con. Another con I don't really like is she seems kind of shiny. Does she seem shiny? Like, I know I could put some dry shampoo on her or some baby powder, but I think she seems a little fake shiny. You know, you have that normal luster and then you got that fake shiny, and I think she's that fake shiny. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. You tell me what you think. You think she's that fake shiny, or you think that's just a natural luster of the unit? But that's all I really have to say about her. This was not going to be a long video. My wig reviews usually are not. I will be back next week with Georgette. I can't wait to do her. Not only because that's my name, but I got her in my favorite outre color, which is chocolate swirl, DR chocolate swirl. So that's my favorite outre color for a unit. Only outre though. I don't think no one else has that color. But it's brown. It has a lot of browns in it, and highlights, lowlights, and it's gorgeous. And I think it looks really pretty on me. That's just my opinion. I could be wrong. I don't know. Anyway, I want to thank you guys for watching. I want to thank you guys for tuning in to this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I hope you subscribe so you guys can hit that subscribe bell. Smash that notification. No, hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. All my wig wearing divas, y'all out there, hit that subscribe button, because I'm bringing the heat every week. A new unit every week, y'all. So I'm gonna get out of here. I was listening to me some Linkin Park. I'm going to continue, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Bye.